3 simple steps to launch your first digital product. Launching your first product doesn't have to be complicated or intimidating. If you've been wanting to start an online business but feel stuck staring at a blank screen or overthinking every decision, this video is for you. In this video, we walk through 3 simple steps to launch your first digital product without getting overwhelmed. No complex tech, no endless planning, just a clear path you can actually follow. You'll learn how to choose one done for you, digital kit that matches what your audience needs, personalize it with your name, your story, and a few simple tweaks so it feels like you. Pick one platform and promote consistently for 30 days instead of jumping around. This approach is especially helpful for online business beginners who want to move fast without cutting corners. You don't need to create everything from scratch or wait until it's perfect. You need momentum, and that comes from making one clear choice and taking action. Overthinking slows everything down. Simple steps move you forward. The Start Now. Not Later Digital Kit is a practical digital product designed to give you worksheets, structure, and guidance so you can move through these steps quickly. It's also a powerful option if you're using resale rights digital kits to launch without getting stuck in indecision.